Good morning, everyone. How are you all, children of class 3? Once again, I welcome you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that chapter 3 is going on. The name of the chapter is Our Country, India. Okay? In which we have studying physical divisions of India. Okay? We are studying physical division of India. Okay? Now, children, our today's topic in this chapter is Peninsula, Island and our climate. Okay, these three topics we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, today. Let's come to the chapter, everyone. Large water bodies on three sides surround the southern part of India, as you can see in the picture. Large water bodies on three sides, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Large water bodies on three sides surround the southern part of India. So children, the southern part of India is surrounded by large water bodies. Okay, by three sides. Okay, by the eastern side, here you can see, by the eastern side, by the western side and from the southern side. Okay, so Indian southern part is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. The land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. So children, what is a peninsula here mean? The land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Okay, in this picture you can see a peninsula. Okay, you can see a peninsula. Okay. The land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Okay. The Indian peninsula has the Arabian Sea on the western side. You can see Arabian Sea on the western side. Okay. The Bay of Bengal on the eastern side. Here you can see the Bay of Bengal in the eastern side and the Indian Ocean on the southern side. Okay. Now children, everyone come to the island topic. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of an island. The land that is surrounded by water on all sides. So children, island is a place, island is a kind of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. As you can see in the picture. In this picture, the land is surrounded by water on all sides. You can see here, the land is surrounded by water on all sides. Okay. So children, what is an island? The land that is surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. Okay. Everywhere you can see water and water. So, island is a place which is surrounded by water on every sides. Okay. There are many islands in the water bodies around India. Children, there are many islands in the water bodies around India. Water bodies here mean children, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. Okay. So children, there are many islands in the water bodies around India, around our country India. Okay. There are many islands. The land that is surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. In this picture also you can see island picture it is. The land which is surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. There are many islands in the water bodies around India. Around our India there are many islands. Okay. Some of these islands are a part of India. Children, some of these islands are also a part of India. Okay. One group of island is in the Bay of Bengal. Here you can see children. One group of island is in Bay of Bengal, which is also known as Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. So children, one group of island is in the Bay of Bengal. These are also called as Andaman and Nicobar. Here you can see Andaman and Nicobar. Here. Okay. This is Andaman and Nicobar, which is in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, it is also a part of India. Okay. Here you can see in this picture, Andaman and Nicobar picture. Okay, you can see here nicely. So children, some of these islands are also a part of India. One group of islands is in the Bay of Bengal, as you can see in the picture. These are called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So where are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, children? Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. The Lakshadweep Islands is another group of islands in the Arabian Sea. One more island is in Arabian Sea, which is also known as Lakshadweep Island. So children, where is Lakshadweep Island? Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea. Okay. Here you can see Lakshadweep Island. Okay. Lakshadweep Island is another group of islands which is in the Arabian Sea. Okay children. Now everyone come to the climate topic. Our climate we have to discuss. The presence of mountains, rivers, plains and forests leads to different climates in different parts of India. So children, due to presence of mountains, rivers, plains and forests, it leads to different climates in different parts of India. Okay. Because of the presence of mountains, rivers, plains and forests, the climate condition change of different areas. Okay. Climate of every region depends upon the weather condition, okay, of that particular area. In North India, the summers are very hot and dry and the winters are very cold. Children, in North India, the summers are very hot and dry and the winters are very cold. As you can see in the picture, this man is drinking water. Okay. In North India, the summers are very hot and nights are and the winters are very cold. Okay. Here you can see the winter picture. In North India, the summers are very hot and dry. The winters are very cold. Okay. People are standing near the fire. Okay. They are warming their bodies by the heat of fire. Here you can see the mountain picture. Mountain areas picture. The mountains have cold climate almost throughout the year. Children, mountains are having cold climate almost throughout the year. Why? Because every time they are having rainfall. Okay. Because of the rainfall, mountains having cold climate almost throughout the year. Okay. In coastal places, it is neither very hot nor very cold. Children, in coastal areas, it is neither very hot nor very cold. Why? This is because the land heats up and cools down quickly. Children, why? The climate is not very hot, not very cold in coastal places, because the land heats up and cools down quickly. Okay, in coastal areas, the land heats up and cools down quickly. Okay. So children, thanks for watching my video. That's all for today. We will meet in our next class video with objective question answer of chapter 3. Till then children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye bye and thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe too.